Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Driver, and it's train time. Well, I'm not sure the town I'm in. I'm sure you guys know where I'm at, and leave a comment below. I'm about 10 miles west of the Manassas Amtrak station, and I usually film everything on my iPhone 12 Pro, but I just bought the GoPro Hero 9. I saved about $200 from the GoPro 10, so I figured save 200 bucks and buy some accessories. So I'm gonna try that out. I'll turn this camera around and show you what I got. Well, there's the Hero 9. I'm sure a lot of you guys have the 9 or 10, but the money I saved, of course, it's nice. It comes in this case, and I bought extra batteries, and I bought the frame, this windscreen here. You'll see how that sounds. I got this magnet. This thing's pretty good. I just put this on the car, and that thing, it's not moving. I've had up to about 110, 20 miles an hour, and it doesn't move at all. But I'm waiting on Amtrak 20 Crescent. It's running about an hour and a half late, and so it should be here, I think, in about 20 more minutes. So we'll fire up the GoPro and see how that looks and sounds. Well, leave a comment below on what you think of the sound and the picture quality on the GoPro Hero 9. Like I said, most of the time I use my iPhone 12 Pro, but maybe I'll start using that if it looks pretty good after I do some editing. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.